Do you know what is the best way to invest your money? What should a beginner invest in? Hi friends, I am Indrajit. I am a full-time trader and author of 3 best-selling books. Charles Dow wrote a series of articles on Wall Street before his death. As per Dow, all market-related information such as past, present and even future is discounted and reflects on the charts. Today I am presenting a simplest version of his theory. First, disclaimer. As per Dow, there are 3 stages of the market: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. What is an uptrend? Uptrend is nothing but a series of higher lows and higher highs. If you consider this as a swing low, this as an higher low, isn't it? Similarly, as compared to this is another higher low, another higher low, higher low. And similarly, if you consider this as a first swing high, so this is a higher high, isn't it, as compared to this? Similarly, higher high, higher high. So this is very simple. To put it in a simple way, whenever a price keeps on making higher lows and higher highs, we recognize the script is in uptrend. I will repeat once again. Whenever the price keeps on making higher lows and higher highs, we consider the script is in uptrend. Then what is downtrend? Downtrend is also similar. It is nothing but a series of lower highs and lower lows. If you consider this as a first swing high, as compared to this swing high, this is lower high, isn't it? And as compared to this is another lower high. Similarly, another lower high. It continues like this. And similarly, if you consider this as a first swing low, this is another lower low, isn't it? And as compared to this is another lower low and another lower low, right? So to put it in a simple way, whenever the price keeps on making lower highs and lower lows, we recognize the script is in downtrend. I will repeat once again. Whenever the price keeps on making lower highs and lower lows, we recognize the script is in downtrend. Then what is sideways trend? Whenever the price makes same lows and same highs, we recognize the script is in downtrend. This is very straightforward. We'll look at one example for uptrend. So this is an ICICI Bank chart. If you consider this as a first swing low, as compared to this is higher low, isn't it? And similarly higher low, another higher low, isn't it? Similarly, if you consider this as a first swing high, so this is another higher high, higher high, higher high. So this is nothing but a series of higher lows and higher highs. So this is a perfect example for uptrend. We look at one more example. This is Bajaj Finance chart. So this is, if you consider this as a first swing low, so higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, isn't it? Similarly, if you consider this as a first swing high, it has made higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, isn't it? So this is nothing but a series of higher highs and higher lows. We look at one example for downtrend. If you consider this as a first swing high, the price has made lower low, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, isn't it? Similarly, if you consider this as a first low, lower lows, lower lows, lower low, lower low, lower low, isn't it? It's nothing but a series of lower highs and lower lows. We look for one more example. This is Yes Bank chart. If you consider this as a first high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Similarly, if you consider this as first swing low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So this script is in perfect downtrend, isn't it? Look at one example for sideways trend. This is VRL chart. So this has made almost same highs and same low, isn't it? So this is a perfect example for an sideways trend script. Look at one more example. This is a Canara Bank chart. So this also made same highs and same low, isn't it? This is another example for sideways trend. Then how do you make a perfect entry for investment? Two things are very crucial to get success in investment. You need to identify the beginning of uptrend, and you need to identify the beginning of the you need to identify the end of uptrend as well. So at the beginning of the uptrend, you can take your position, and at the beginning of end of the uptrend, you can close your position. So the two important things are identification of the beginning of the uptrend and identification of the end of the uptrend. We'll see how do we achieve this. So this script is in downtrend, isn't it? It is making lower lows and it is making lower high. The first warning comes when the price makes first higher low instead of making a lower low. So as compared to this made a higher low, isn't it? So this is a first warning. And similarly, the second warning comes when the price makes a higher high. As compared to this high, this made a higher high, isn't it? So this is a second warning. And number three comes when the price breaks this higher high. So the price, when the price breaks this level, it confirms the end of downtrend. So from here, it can get into a sideways trend or it can start an uptrend. So one can take position little above this level, keeping a stop loss at this level. I will repeat, the end of downtrend can be confirmed with three characteristics, 1, 2, 3 characteristics. Number one is it makes an higher low. Number two, it makes an higher high. And number three, when the price breaks this higher high, it confirms the end of downtrend. Investors can take trade at this level, little above higher high, and they can keep their stop loss little below this level. So after taking the position, you need to carry it. You need to, run your profits. Then what is the best point to exit? Because nobody can, exit at the top. It's almost impossible. Uh, then how do we identify the end of uptrend? Below charts helps. So the script is in uptrend, isn't it? It is making higher highs and it is making higher low. The first warning comes when the price makes a lower high instead of an higher high. So as compared to this high, it made a lower high, isn't it? This is the first warning. And similarly, the second warning comes when the price makes lower low instead of an higher low. So as compared to this low, this made a lower low, isn't it? So this is the second warning. When the price breaks this level, lower low level, this confirms the end of uptrend. If you are carrying any position, it is better to exit at this point, because this is the end of uptrend. From here, the market can get into a sideways trend or it can get into a deep downtrend. So if you have a position, it is better to exit at this level. I will repeat, end of uptrend can be confirmed with three confirmation. Number one, the formation of lower high. The number two, formation of lower low. And number three, the break of lower low. These three things are really, really crucial. We'll see a few examples. So this is a Bajaj Finance chart. See here, it was in a downtrend. So first it made an higher low. So instead of making a lower low, it made an higher low, number one pattern. And number two, instead of making a lower high, it made an higher high. And when the price breaks this higher high, this confirms the end of downtrend. See what happened after that? Price rallied. So this is your entry point and this is your stop loss point. We look at one more example. This is Reliance Industries. Can you see the script is in downtrend? It has made lower highs and lower lows. Can you see here what happened? Instead of making lower low, number one, it made an higher low, isn't it? And similarly, instead of making a lower high, it made an higher high, isn't it? And when the price breaks this level, it confirms the end of downtrend. So you can take an entry at this level and the stop loss you can keep at this level. And we look at one more example. This is a Ara Pharma chart. So this is in downtrend. It made lower highs and lower lows. Here also it made a lower low. But here, instead of making a lower low, it made a higher low, isn't it? Number one pattern. And similarly, instead of making a lower high, it made a higher high, isn't it, with this? and the break of higher high confirms the end of downtrend. You know investors can buy their position at this point of time, and they can hold their scripts until it shows the end of uptrend. I'll repeat, they can hold their scripts until it shows the end of uptrend. I'll recap the entire video. Uptrend consists of series of higher lows and higher highs. Downtrend consists of series of lower lows and lower highs. Sideways trend consists of same lows and same highs. The best entry point is when the price shows end of downtrend with a stop loss below the point 1. Similarly, the best exit point is when the price shows the end of uptrend. In between, people can trial their stop loss below every swing low to minimize the risk and to capture the maximum profit in case if price reverses. Do you have any questions or feedback? Please write it in a comment. To stay up to date with my latest trading videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking this subscribe button. Thank you.